All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about my favorite project, the one that's going crazy, BNB Miner. Yep, we actually added some more BNB into this project because we've been in it not quite a month. We got in it June 1st, and this thing's been going fantastic for us. At the end, we're going to also talk about Trust Miner. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and at the end, be able to get in some cryptocurrency projects, understand it, have some coins shoot to the moon, all kinds of good stuff. Might as well get it out of the way right now. I'm not a financial planner. I do this all for educational purposes only. If you do hit the button and you make money, it's a solo dolo kind of thing. It's only on yourself. All right, let's get over to BNB Miner. All right, BNB Miner, take a look at this. 463 days, 4 hours, and 32 minutes. The longest running miner on the planet. Who else pays 100% BNB bonus rewards? You guessed it, BNB Miner. Now I want to check this out real quick. How I found out about BNB Miner, some of you find out about it through YouTube, some of you find out about it through a friend. I was actually over here at Moonarch, and right here at the top it says the longest. Let's blow this up so you can see it. The longest running miner, BNB Miner. Who else pays 100% rewards? And I was checking things out one day, and I was like, well, let's click this. And I clicked it, and it was June 1st, well, maybe a day or two before June 1st. And guess what? This little bad boy has been rocking and rolling. Now, I told everybody that I'm going to do with this guy right here, this members video. I suggest everybody watch this video. It's pretty good right here. I started off with 1 BNB. Notice I have 5.5 BNB. Yep, I added 3 more BNB in this. So I put 1 in plus 3 is a total of 4. So I actually have 4 BNB into this. I've compounded. Now, remember, I just put the 3 in today. So if you subtracted 3 from 5.5, it would actually be 2.5. So I put 1 in, I have compound, compound, compound. My 1 grew to 2.5 BNB, not even in a month, because literally it's not July 1st. I started this project June 1st. So put 1 BNB in, 2.5 BNB. I've actually already received 50% of my first BNB back. Okay, not 50% of this 5.5 because I just put the 3 in today, okay? But like I told a few people that have been commenting that I had to make sure I believed in this project. I only lost my ass when it came to nodes, okay? So now I'm more cautious. I know everybody wants to compound their head off as much as they can, compound, 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 but that's what I did with nodes. And I don't know if you know about strong nodes, how they made that little thing that you only can get 20 coins now, and then it cuts it off. So now I actually compound and compound and compound, and I actually claim some money to get some money back. So after I saw that this project actually pays, because I put my 1 BNB in, and I got about half of it back, okay, I was like, wow, this is pretty freaking good. And I put 3 more in today. So now I got 4 BNB in, 5.5 compound. Now let me show you how simple this is. Look, I got some money right here. Let's go ahead and compound this real quick to show the viewers how easy this is. And then I'm going to go over some details. You click compound, you pay some gas fees, which is fine. And then that 0.005 is going to go right here in my TVL. Notice what's going to happen. It's going to go 5.9. There's going to be like an 8 right here in a second. All right, so it takes, 3 to 8 seconds. Boom, it already happened. Oh, and there's that 8 I was just talking about. All right, so why do I like this? This miner pays 3% a day. I have 1.48 billion miners. The contract balance has 10,000 BNB. When I started this project, there was 2,800 BNB. BNB at that time was $298. So there was 834,000 into the project. Now again, BNB has dropped, but remember 834. Let's go 10,268 times BNB is about 234 right now. And there's 2.4 million. So there was 800 and some thousand. Now there's 2.4 million, all in a month. Things are going fantastic. I get started video. All right, let's do this real quick. Step-by-step guide for BNB Miner.finance. The longest running miner we do not rug. The only miner with 100% BNB bonus rewards. Oh, I heard this today from Crypto Craig, he's in the cake, does the Cake of Fortune. He even pointed out today that guess what? This project's been around longer than Drip. So all you that are out there bullish about Drip, and I like Drip too. I know I bought it for $84 and it's like $8 now, but I still like Drip. I'm bullish on it. It's gonna come back. There's all kinds of good things going on. But this little bad boy's been out longer than Drip. So you might as well be bullish on this. Connect your wallet, hire some miners, the strategy, choose how much BNB you want to invest. Remember, your principal investment cannot be withdrawn. BNB accumulates in your barrel is what you can either compound or pocket. You can hire new miners and compound as often, stabilize the increase of your TVL, and stay eligible for bonus rewards. How are we the longest running miner? BNB Miner has an algorithm that doesn't allow others to instantly dump their coins on the community. Want more tokenomics or contract information? You can go right here to check it out. Referrals. Once your BSC wallet is connected, your referral address will appear. They also do referrals. Right here, this video, this members video, real good.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a quick BNB Miner tutorial, and I'm going to show you the strategy that took me from 20 BNB to over 50 BNB within less than 6 weeks. And I'm going to show you how I...
All right, so I actually thought he started with 10 BNB, so it sounds like he started with 20 BNB. Well, anyways, I've been saying along, because I thought he started with 10, that I would get this little bad boy to 10. It's already at 5.6, and then I'd get it to 20, and I'm going to get it to 50. So if he could do it, I can do it. I'm going to do the strategy, just moving a little bit slower. Also, because the nodes kind of bit me real nice, I actually do like to take a little bit of my profit back. A lot of people like the compound. There's nothing wrong with that, but I am going to claim a little bit because it actually shows that the project actually works. Stability. The BNB Miner is sustained by continuously community support, just like every other crypto coin, token, or project. The difference is BNB Miner also has an arithmetic that doesn't allow others to instantly dump their coins on the community. Kind of already said that. BNB Miner also allows you to stabilize and increase your TVL by taking long-term advantage of the compound feature. Here's my referral thing. You get 10% for the referrals. That's nice. All right, let's look at this. BNB Miner info is designed for individuals with long-term vision. It's not for those who want the instant profit. They're ultimately harming others. Miners can also be viewed as internal tokens whose value raises and falls based on the combined action of the community, just like any other coin or token that you may hold. But unlike your average coin and token, BNB Miner allows you to stabilize and increase your TVL by taking long-term advantage of the compound feature. The TVL is the current estimate total value locked and estimate value of your total miners. Once the miners are hired, they will work for you indefinitely. Therefore, your TVL cannot be withdrawn in one lump sum. So, for example, those 4 BNBs that I popped into this program, I can't just go withdraw them out tomorrow. You're only going to be able to get the rewards if you want to withdraw. When you hire miners, you can fill your barrel with BNB throughout the day with the estimated daily total of 3%, which is a fantastic, fair thing. Longest running miner, 3% of your TVL. You can pocket or compound. Notice they say you can pocket. So again, they do suggest you pocket it sometimes or compound the BNB, accumulate in your barrel at any time. Pocketing too often will ensure a decrease in your TVL, which will in turn ensure a decrease in your daily payouts. The value of your miners consistently increase and decrease throughout the day. Therefore, it is normal to see your personal TVL fluctuate as your barrel continues to fill. So, one of my favorite, actually this is my favorite miner right now. Over here, you can go to their Telegram group. Go ahead and join it, obviously. View it in Telegram. And right here, BNB Miner, they got all kinds of things in here. You can learn about things. Oh, they got that auto compounder that you can attach to your program, and every hour on the hour it can automatically compound. I actually enjoy doing it myself, but some people actually have it set for every half an hour on the half an hour that it will compound, or every hour on the hour. So you can go over here. Here's a nice video. Check everything out. Also, their Twitter account. Let's see what they're, the developer. BNB Miner Finance, the developer. You know, and they're talking right here how it's over 400 days. They got The Rock. He's, you know, pretty excited here. A lot of good things. BNB Miner clones are now using shady marketing tactics and attempting to portray themselves as us. They are not affiliated with the original BNB Miner team. Projects using such dirty tactics cannot be trusted and should be avoided. Be smart. Don't engage. And so they're kind of protecting their community. Billions of dollars have been lost, hacked, rug pulled, and exploited through many of the most trusted, multi-audited crypto projects, as well as a true DeFi platform such as BNB Miner has flawlessly operated for over 457 days, all-time high. This is only just the beginning. Yeah, so that's again why I kind of like this. They also gave 10 BNB ups for grabs for a members video contest. We're now giving away 10 BNB to our top BNB Miner video creators. Join the Telegram for full details. The winner is Frank's Crypto Corner. That's right, because we're actually doing great videos for these guys. But I do like it. This is not a paid, they're not paying me to do this. I'm just doing this because bringing this to my viewers and my communities. We all lost all kinds of money in nodes. Now, again, if you got in the nodes and you didn't compound your head off and you actually took some profit, maybe you did good. But a lot of people compounded, and then all of a sudden, by the time you realized it, the nodes were gone. So I don't know about that. All right, so again, my favorite project, BNB Miner. I thought that guy started with 10 BNB and he built it to 50. Sounds like he started with 20. No big deal. I'll get to 20. Right now I'm at 5 and 0.5. Put 3 BNB in today. Pretty excited. I'm going to compound. I actually compound more than once a day. The 6-in-1 strategy. These guys tell you this is not a 6-in-1. I get it. But if whatever strategy you're using for your investments, just like this is a solo dolo thing, if you make tons of money, it's based on you. If you lose tons of money, it's based on you. So again, your investment strategy is your investment strategy. So whatever you do. But if you did do a 6-in-1, the way I would do it, not a financial planner here, I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. I would compound as many times in a day for the first 6 days. So I wouldn't compound 6 times. I'd probably compound 60 times in those 10 days. And then if you do claim on Sunday or whatever day, fantastic. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So everybody, you're going to all watch me. You watch me go from 1 BNB to 5. You're going to watch me go from 5 to 10. Then you're going to watch me go from 10 to 20. And then you're going to watch me be at 50. Okay, so we're going to have this little progress here as we go. Click right here so you can learn about Trust Miner. Fantastic project. Why I like this project, it is paid out in a stable coin, which is fantastic, 3.3% a day. And my other favorite project, the Cake of Fortune. Click right here. This pays out 3% a day in Cake. Fantastic project. Craig does a great job over his website. I'll link some stuff in the bottom. All right, everybody. Frank's from Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on.